Hello, Sushi Cans and Sushi Grins. This is your WWE YouTube World Sushi Heavyweight Champion of the world. And you can acknowledge me as the head of the Sushi Buffet. And I am your Swappo Sushi with another food review today. Dude, I love making videos of you guys because I don't know what's going on after this. Alrighty, so we got Goose Goose, Gone, and Shikon! 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 Shikon, Shikon, Shikon. Shikon! Yes. So, it's my one, folks. It's just water here. I'm missing weight. So that's why. Alrighty. So let's go down right into this today. My dad actually made me steal it. Thank you for him, by the way. So we got is this. Oh yeah, I see the Goose Goose, the Cone, and Chicken. Maybe epic. And I got it, guys. It's good or not. And yeah, so let's go dive into this. Let's go dive into this today. Alrighty, as I look down. Here we go. Alrighty. First. Gone. This is sushi. Yeah, this is this. So good. Wow. And then we got chicken. Sushi. Yeah, this is this. So delicious. Wow. Now, Mrs. Couscous with peppers. Sushi, this is this. Wow. It's so delicious, guys. Come on. But afterwards, that is it, guys, yo. Thank you for giving me over with the subscribers and views. Keep with this up. Come on. I want watch hours and give me sponsorships and money. Come on, guys. And my other channel too, guys. Come on. I got 89, almost 100. Give me with 100 on my Endless Experiences channel. And please, give me sponsorships and also money. We need that, guys. And then we got, I was in Street Life outside the Gully. If you love that show on Disney Plus, and no very movies on TV shows on that, please comment below. And my Easter vlog is up now, so you can watch it. Maybe go on my second channel, and then in 2 hours from now is War. It'll be epic because we are on the road to WrestleMania. So we the last episodes to WrestleMania. It'll be epic. I want to show you the set reveal. It'll be cool. But afterwards, that is Eric Casio. So, thank you for watching our videos and vlogs with my boys on the Beast Sora. If he is watching this, you can sub A, like, comment, and subscribe. And turn on your notification bell now for missing upload. And please, with second edibles and Prime, sponsor me on this YouTube channel, this Kansas channel, and add this experience to please. And please share this channel to family and friends. And please communicate with me. And please follow me at Facebook, Instagram, Snapchat, TikTok, and Twitter.x. And every time we that, we got a bunch of what's on new country on the Kids Sushi channel. Sushi yeah, Sushi Hawaii, Sushi Hawaii, Sushi Hawaii, Sushi today. Sushi give me a new toy. Sushi hee haw, Sushi my boy, and Sushi sister.